I really don't want this cookie.
Me neither.
I'll be like, yeah, I ate one of your cookies.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
You like my tripod?
Start the video. Oh, hi. Wednesday.
Okay, so what's the plan, Stan?
We have oatmeal chocolate chip. We have walnut chocolate chip. Looks like.
Let's do oatmeal first. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for one of these, we need 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. So for making both of these, that's 2 sticks of butter. And
Whoa.
2 huevos.
Eggs.
They're
Eggs go bad?
And what? We can test it if they're rotten by putting them in water, and if they float, then they're bad.
a witch.
Okay.
A snuggle bunny. Hi. Okay. Let's get crack-a-lackin'.
It's an egg joke. Do you get it? Put the butter in there also. I'll do the eggs. Hello.
Did you do that on purpose?
No. I think it's fine.
Playing music.
Music. That's how we get copyright strikes.
Should I get the automatic thing?
No.
I got it.
I don't want it. No! I can do it on my own.
Wanna lick the spoon?
No. No.
Should we add more chocolate chips?
No.
Oh my god. Okay, I think it's almost done.
Okay.
It looks like dough now, so. It's
Why is he shivering?
It's probably cold. It's cold in here.
It's not that cold. Okay, here's my hot take on this. There should be no debate, because if one person's warm and one person's cold, the person who's cold should just wear more clothes.
Yeah.
Because when you're warm,
You can't do
you know,
anything about
there's a limit to how many
that. I'd rather be
layers
cold
you
than
can
warm,
take
you
off.
know? This aluminum foil sucks.
Yeah, why are we using it?
Because I don't want to clean the pan.
Katie's interrogating me
But what?
about us making a video.
We're not making a video.
I know, that's what I told her.
I just heard Sadie saying to you after the camera wants to go
I have no idea what you're talking about here. Dry your hands.
Wow, this is a really big can.
Because they're wet.
No, we wait.
Do 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 do.
Alright, anyways. Dying.
Well, then too bad. Die.
Oh my god.
It's not that hard of a question.
You okay? What'd you do? Did you only make one?
Why is it my fault?
Wait, one with 2 of the. Oh my god. Okay, so those are. So put that back. Yes,
look
they
soft.
will.
Oh my god, Maggie, look at that! Oh my goodness. Look at those cookies.
Is this
Ooh, no. Well, now we would have to add like more egg and...
Okay, you want to add more egg?
No.
Isn't it Christmas Eve?
Yes.
Whoa. You sound like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Whoa.
Do it again.
We're like Mario.
Wow. No, that's Waluigi.
It's a fork. Shut up.
He just likes attention.
We have to remember to like go on the like Santa tracker thing because we didn't do that last year. And I remembered like while we were sleeping.
You have a hair tie.
I'll find one. This is a nightmare. Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh my gosh. Here's a question. Is Nightmare Before Christmas a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie? It's both. Okay, I think what you should do at this point is give up and just make them. You're gonna be so mad at how quickly this is getting put together.
If we get like certain juices, I can actually make a smoothie from Java juice.
Oh my god!
That's what I was
My
saying.
sister teaches me how to make Java juice. Gone
Oh my
wrong.
God. Gone wrong. I mean, probably.
I have to pee.
Alright, have fun.
I will.
Alright, the cookies are looking normal, so we're good. Hopefully they turn out okay. I'm so worried.
Did you have fun while I was gone?
Totally.
Oh look. The same.